In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make beautiful WPAP images just like this for free very quickly using NightCafe. Let's jump in. All right, if you've never heard of NightCafe before, it's a free AI generator where you can make beautiful images just like this. And I'm going to show you how to make a WPAP image. So I'm going to click on Create here up on the top right-hand side. All right, now I can see my credits over here on the right-hand side. I have 2,400 credits. You get 5 credits a day, so I've been stacking them up here over a period of time. Time to create some WPAP images. Here at the top, I'm going to click on this text to image button. You're going to see a bunch of different options here, video, image prompting, and I'm going to make sure it's on text to image. So that's the first piece. Secondly, you're going to pick your AI model here. So I'm going to click right here, browse all models. Okay, and these are like the engines that run the AI. So I'm going to pick this one right here. It's Starlight XL. And this is really good for concept art and illustration. So you can see now it's highlighted right here in the middle. Next up is my text prompt. So I'm going to do a simple one here to start. I'm going to type in WPAP portrait of a cat. Very simple. Now my preset style, you have a whole bunch of different options here. You don't even have to use a preset style. You could have it stuck at none, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm going to go down here to the bottom and I'm going to select pop art. You'll see down here, 1 image is 1 credit, 4 images is 4 credits. So it does cost 1 credit per image. And if you use different AI models, you'll see that the cost will be different. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. And now I'll click create. Okay, and we get back an absolutely gorgeous picture here of kitty cat. And now I didn't put very much in the text prompt. So if you have a simple prompt, you can try it and you might be really happy with the results. To download it, you simply click right here and you can download this as a JPEG image. Now I'm going to do this one more time, but in the text prompt, I'm actually going to put in a very long text prompt. So I'm actually going to put this in the video description so you can see an example of a very long form text prompt. It says things like photorealistic finish, watercolor, digital painting, 3D vector representation, and in this case, it's going to be of an eagle. And now I'm going to click create. Okay, and we get a beautiful picture here of an eagle. So I would recommend that you play around with the text prompts over time. I'm going to put the simple text prompt in the video description and this very lengthy one in the video description. And of course, you can take that and modify it as you need. I have played around with this quite a bit, and I do recommend the AI model being Starlight and the preset style being pop art. But again, you can switch those out if you want to play around with it. I love using NightCafe. It is free. And here's another video on how you can have some fun using this awesome AI tool.